Top 10 smartest animals. Who's the real Brainiac? Think humans are the only geniuses on Earth? Think again. Some animals can solve puzzles, use tools, and even understand human emotions, sometimes better than we do. Today, we're counting down the top 10 smartest animals, from creatures that communicate almost like humans to others that can outwit scientists with their problem-solving skills. You might be shocked to discover who the true Brainiacs are. Make sure you watch till the very end. The number one smartest animal will absolutely blow your mind. 10. Cats, silent strategists of the animal kingdom. Cats might seem mysterious and aloof, but behind those curious eyes lies a highly intelligent and independent thinker. Unlike dogs, cats are not motivated solely by commands or praise. They learn by observation and experience, which makes their intelligence subtle but incredibly effective. Cats have excellent memory skills, allowing them to remember locations, routines, and even the behavior of the humans and animals around them. This helps them navigate their environment with ease and make strategic decisions in everyday life. Cats are also natural problem solvers. Many can figure out how to open doors, unlock cabinets, or manipulate objects to reach food or toys. Puzzle toys and interactive games challenge their minds and stimulate their curiosity, showing off their remarkable cognitive abilities. Are impressive too. Through meows, purrs, tail movements, and body language, cats convey emotions and intentions to humans and other animals, creating a sophisticated social interaction system. Fun fact, some cats are so attuned to their owners' routines that they can anticipate actions like knowing when it's feeding time or when their human is about to leave the house. This combination of memory, problem-solving, and communication skills makes cats one of the smartest animals on Earth, proving that intelligence doesn't always meow for attention. 9. Pigs, Farmyard Brainiacs. Forget the farmyard stereotype. Pigs are problem-solving brainiacs that can even outsmart dogs. Unlike what many think, pigs are highly social animals with remarkable learning abilities. Studies have shown that in some cases, pigs can even learn tricks faster than dogs, making them quick learners and excellent problem solvers. They are curious by nature and love exploring their surroundings, which contributes to their impressive cognitive skills. One of the most fascinating aspects of pig intelligence is their ability to navigate complex environments. Pigs can solve mazes, remember locations, and figure out ways to access food, demonstrating both spatial awareness and strategic thinking. Their social skills are equally impressive. They form strong bonds with other pigs, recognize familiar faces, and communicate with each other through various vocalizations. Fun fact, pigs can recognize their own names and will respond when called, showing that they can understand human cues just like dogs. Beyond that, they are capable of learning tricks, following commands, and even playing simple games, which highlights just how smart these animals really are. So next time you see a pig, remember, they're not just farm animals, they're some of the smartest creatures on Earth, combining social intelligence with problem-solving abilities in an extraordinary way. 8. Dogs. Man's best friend and secret genius. Man's best friend, sure, but dogs are also secret geniuses hiding in plain sight. Their intelligence goes far beyond simply following commands or wagging their tails. Dogs have a remarkable ability to understand human emotions and react accordingly. For instance, many dogs can sense when their owners are sad or stressed and will often try to comfort them. This emotional intelligence sets them apart from most other animals. In addition to emotional understanding, dogs are also problem solvers. They can learn tricks, navigate obstacles, and even figure out puzzles designed to challenge their minds. Service dogs are a perfect example of their intelligence in action. Guide dogs assist the visually impaired in navigating the world safely, while police dogs help detect drugs, explosives, and even locate missing persons. Military dogs undergo intense training, learning to respond to complex commands and adapt to unpredictable situations. Fun fact, some dogs can understand over 200 words and commands, which is comparable to the cognitive abilities of a 2-year-old human child. Certain breeds, like border collies, are particularly gifted and can perform incredibly advanced tasks with precision. From their loyalty to their problem-solving skills, dogs prove time and again that they are more than just pets. They're true brainiacs in the animal kingdom. 7. Parrots. Feathered thinkers with a gift for words. Parrots are more than just colorful birds. They are some of the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom. Their intelligence goes far beyond mimicking human speech. Many parrots can actually understand the context of the words they use. This means they don't just copy sounds, but can communicate needs, desires, or observations in meaningful ways. African gray parrots, in particular, are known for their remarkable cognitive abilities, showing skills that rival those of young children. These birds are also excellent problem solvers. In the wild, parrots use their strong beaks and claws to crack nuts, manipulate objects, and access hard-to-reach food. In captivity, they can learn to open complex puzzle boxes, perform tricks, and even understand abstract concepts like shapes, colors, and numbers. Their ability to learn and adapt demonstrates a high level of intelligence rarely seen in other birds. Fun fact, one famous African gray parrot named Alex amazed scientists by learning over 100 words, identifying colors and shapes, and even counting objects. His abilities showed that parrots are not just mimics, they are thinkers, learners, and communicators. With their problem-solving skills, memory, and capacity for language-like understanding, parrots easily earn a top spot among the smartest animals on Earth. 6. Crows, the black-feathered problem solvers. Crows are widely recognized as some of the most intelligent birds on the planet, and their problem-solving skills are truly astonishing. These black-feathered brainiacs are natural tool users, often crafting sticks or leaves to extract insects from tight spots. They can also figure out complex puzzles that challenge even primates, demonstrating reasoning, planning, and innovative thinking. Their ability to solve problems on the fly makes them one of the smartest species in the animal kingdom. Crows are also excellent planners. They have been observed storing food for the future and even hiding items strategically to retrieve later. Socially, they are highly aware of their surroundings and can recognize individual human faces, remembering who has been friendly or threatening. This means crows not only learn from experience, but also pass knowledge to other members of their group, showcasing a form of culture and social intelligence rarely seen in birds. Fun fact, some crows are such clever road users that they deliberately drop nuts onto streets, waiting for cars to crack them open before retrieving the delicious reward. This behavior highlights their ability to observe, adapt, and use their environment to their advantage. With such remarkable intelligence, crows easily earn their place among the smartest animals on Earth. 5. Octopuses, escape artists of the deep. Octopuses are some of the most fascinating and intelligent creatures of the ocean, often surprising scientists with their remarkable problem-solving abilities. Known as masters of escape and camouflage, octopuses can squeeze through incredibly tight spaces, change their color and texture to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, and avoid predators with astonishing skill. Their ability to manipulate their environment showcases both intelligence and adaptability, making them true brainiacs of the sea. These cephalopods are also incredible learners. Octopuses can solve puzzles, open jars, and figure out how to access food hidden inside complex containers. Remarkably, they can learn through observation, watching and mimicking the actions of others to achieve the same results. This ability to learn from experience, combined with their natural curiosity, makes them highly intelligent problem solvers. Fun fact, each octopus has a unique personality. Some are shy, others are playful, and many actively explore their surroundings out of curiosity. They even interact with humans in unexpected ways, showing a level of engagement and playfulness rare in the animal kingdom. With their memory, problem-solving skills, and creativity, octopuses prove that intelligence isn't limited to mammals. It thrives in the ocean's most enigmatic creatures. 4. Elephants, the gentle giants of memory and emotion. Elephants are often regarded as the giants of intelligence in the animal kingdom, and for good reason. These majestic creatures possess remarkable memory skills, which allow them to remember the locations of water sources, navigate long migration routes, and recall past experiences, even from years earlier. Their problem-solving abilities are equally impressive. Elephants have been observed using sticks to scratch themselves, modifying branches to swat flies, and even moving obstacles to reach food or water. Beyond cognitive skills, elephants demonstrate extraordinary social intelligence. They live in tight-knit family groups, care deeply for one another, and show empathy toward injured or distressed herd members. Mourning behaviors are particularly notable. When an elephant encounters the bones of a deceased companion, it may touch, inspect, and even linger quietly around them, displaying a level of emotional depth rare in the animal world. Fun fact, elephants are one of the few species that can recognize themselves in a mirror, a true sign of self-awareness. This ability to perceive themselves as individuals, combined with memory, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, makes elephants not only brilliant, but also deeply complex beings. Elephants remind us that intelligence isn't just about memory. It's about empathy, emotion, and wisdom that rivals our own. 3. Whales, sperm, and orcas, the ocean's true masterminds. Whales, particularly sperm whales and orcas, are among the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom, boasting exceptional brains and remarkable social complexity. These marine giants live in highly organized pods with intricate social structures, where cooperation and communication are essential for survival. They use a variety of sounds, clicks, and calls to convey information, coordinate hunting strategies, and maintain strong social bonds within their groups. Their communication is so advanced that researchers have identified distinct dialects in orcapods, almost like unique languages shared among family members. Whales also demonstrate extraordinary problem-solving abilities. Orcas, for example, employ coordinated hunting techniques that require planning, strategy, and teamwork, while sperm whales use echolocation and clever tactics to track and capture prey in deep oceans. Beyond intelligence, whales exhibit cultural behaviors passed down across generations, including teaching young members how to hunt, migrate, and communicate effectively. This ability to transmit knowledge shows that whales not only learn individually, but also collectively as a community. Fun fact, orcas have distinct dialects within pods, meaning each group has a unique set of vocalizations similar to human languages. With their advanced communication, complex social structures, and remarkable problem-solving skills, whales take the crown as the true brainiacs of the animal kingdom. 2. Dolphins, ocean brains with a language of their own. Beneath the waves, dolphins prove that some of the ocean's best brains don't belong to humans. These highly social animals are capable of complex communication using a variety of clicks, whistles, and body language to convey information to each other. Each pod often develops its own unique dialect, which helps maintain social bonds and coordinate group activities. Their communication skills are so advanced that researchers continue to study them, uncovering just how much these marine mammals can convey. Beyond communication, dolphins are excellent problem solvers and can understand abstract concepts, including numbers, symbols, and patterns. They are also strategic hunters, often working together in coordinated efforts to herd fish or trap prey. These cooperative behaviors show a level of planning and intelligence that rivals some primates. Fun fact, dolphins have been observed teaching one another new tricks and hunting techniques, passing knowledge from one generation to the next. This ability to learn socially demonstrates both intelligence and culture, something very few animals exhibit. With their combination of social skills, problem-solving abilities, and remarkable communication, dolphins prove that the oceans are home to some of the smartest and most fascinating brainiacs on Earth. 1. Great apes, chimpanzees, and orangutans are brilliant cousins. Great apes, including chimpanzees and orangutans, are some of the most intelligent animals on Earth, sharing remarkable cognitive similarities with humans. As our closest living relatives, they exhibit advanced problem-solving abilities, social behaviors, and emotional depth. These apes are capable of using tools to accomplish tasks. For example, chimpanzees fashion sticks to extract termites from mounds, and orangutans use leaves as umbrellas or sponges. This tool use demonstrates foresight, planning, and innovation. Beyond tools, great apes are exceptional teachers and learners. They pass on knowledge to their offspring, showing skills that can take years to master, such as finding food, building nests, or navigating their environment. Their social strategies are complex. They cooperate within groups, resolve conflicts, form alliances, and even display empathy toward one another. These behaviors highlight not only intelligence, but also emotional sophistication. Fun fact, some great apes have been taught sign language or taught to understand symbols, enabling them to communicate with humans in meaningful ways. This rare ability to bridge species with communication underscores their cognitive abilities. With their intelligence, problem-solving skills, and social awareness, great apes clearly demonstrate that human-like brainpower exists beyond our species. From clever crows to social whales, intelligence comes in so many forms across the animal kingdom. These amazing creatures show us that brains aren't just measured by IQ. They're measured by creativity, problem-solving, social smarts, and even emotional understanding. Which of these brainiacs amazed you the most? Do you have a story about a clever pet or animal encounter? Share it with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to catch more incredible animal stories and brainy discoveries every week. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next.